See a lot of you guys painting your engines and stuff, man, because you want them to look good. Well, this is my 450. The engine's not really very clean, so I'm going to show you how to not paint your engine and make it look really good using this Meguiar's Hot Rims Chrome Wheel Cleaner. Right on. So first thing you need to do, wet it, wash it all the mud and shit off. Right, take your chrome rims, spray it. Now let her marinate. Now a lot of that's paint over here, so it won't get that real good. But all this staining, cuz, tell you something, Paw. Let me get my wire brush a little bit wet. You can do this to your rear diffs, your front diffs. All right, let's see what she looks like. Now, why would you paint your engine when you can make it look like that with this? My wire brush is brass. You can use metal, whatever, and you can still see some in there. Like I say, it's the first time it's ever been cleaned. You can see how dirty the head is compared to this. Well, here she is, pretty much about as clean as I'm gonna get it anyway. Just all up in the fins. I didn't even scrub the fins or nothing. I just sprayed it and let it sit for a few minutes. You see it's all nice and clean. You don't need to paint your engine, you just need to clean it up. Meguiar's Hot Rims, that'll do it.